Are you still buying disposable coolers or trying to carry drinks in your backpacks or even pockets? Well, now that can be a thing in the past because today we're testing out our new collapsible rolling cooler. It can hold up to 48 cans. The cooler comes shipped right to your door, fully collapsed. You can see how little room this thing takes up when it's broken down. Inside the box, you have a removable bracket to put on the bottom of your cooler. This gives it standing support. Unstrap the Velcro tie downs and expand your cooler. Inside, there's a sturdy bottom piece. Slide it into the bottom, laying down, to help the cooler retain its shape. The cooler has a lot of nice handles to make it easy to carry, but it also has a locking telescoping handle, making it easy to reach for any height. It has a storage compartment in the front with a zipper pocket and elastic pockets for extra storage. This is a great spot to store personal items while you're on the go. Then the bag has 2 rolling wheels, making it easy to transport. The inside of the bag has a leak-proof and seamless liner, making your bag waterproof. It keeps the liquid in and the mess at a minimum. This cooler has a cooling time of 18 hours, so I loaded it down with some ice, water, and beer, and took it with me camping. It kept my drinks ice cold all day, and I even had plenty of ice to share with the Huskies. Nighttime came and my drinks were still on ice and the perfect temperature. I was really surprised at how long it kept my drinks cold for. I love the rolling wheels and how much it could actually store. Not only that, but you can use the insulated storage compartment to keep your hot food hot and your fresh foods fresh. You can use this grocery shopping and make your life easier while cutting down on bag waste. Or you can use it to have fun camping like me. I'm really happy with this cooler and I'm sure you would like it too. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go buy some more beer and get back to my campfire. See ya!